Hello everyone, it's me Jadil, and today I decided to show you guys the wonder of nature. We have to adore nature once or twice in a day. Now, let's go. This is a river, and that over there is the mountain. Yeah, the mountain. The river is really lovely, but we are a little bit far away. Those are where people stay, they live there and enjoy the river too. So, this is a palm tree and banana is located beside a very lovely neighbor house, and that's his car. His car is there, and yeah. So these are chickens, goats, and these are chickens and chicks. Very